Today I'm going to unbox this Bachmann China model of the DF4D Diesel locomotive in HO scale. Let's take a look at the box. We've got the loco inside with some foam protective strips in there. Chinese writing. This box is quite heavy. I wonder what else is inside. This is item number CD00305. As you can see, and this is the Chairman Mao version of the DF4D locomotive as operated by the China State Railway Company. So let's open it up. Let's see what else we have here. We have a limited edition certificate. Looks like there were only 2,000 of this Chairman Mao Zedong model made. Probably says the same thing in Chinese here. We have a warranty certificate as well. And looks like it's some kind of a fact sheet about this specific locomotive. In English and in Mandarin. All right, let's take a look at the model itself now. Comes with a little bag of, looks like air hoses. And the model itself, it comes with a piece of track as well for display purposes. Let's take a look here. This model is heavy. There's nothing else in the box. This thing is very heavy. Well, let's take a look here. And let's see what we have. There's the emblem with Chairman Mao on it. Has an open window on the cab side. And same thing on the other side. The roof differs a little bit from the front to the back. And the bottom is pretty plain, but it is nicely detailed. And there is an open window and a driver on this side right here. Okay, now we'll take a look at this display track. Looks like the decals are coming off. It's not a real track, it's just a display piece. Well, it's kind of nice that that's included. This will require a dab of super glue to reattach that. We have a little bag of, like I said, some air hoses attached, and the instructions here in Chinese and English. Small parts list and the breakdown here. And it looks like it has a, it does have a dummy plug for a decoder. So we're going to open it up and see if we can put a decoder in it and see what it looks like on the track. Before I take it apart, I took it over to the scale because I was amazed at how heavy it is. And this model weighs 750 grams or 1 pound and 10.5 ounces. It is really a very heavy model. And when I place it on the track, it also towers over the other models that I have here. So as you can see, it is considerably taller than my ICE2 from Roco, and also these coaches from, I believe they're from Lima. It is a big and heavy model. So to open it up, we're going to take a look underneath, and we have 4 screws on the base, and looks like we'll also have to take the coupling off on either one or both sides to get the cap off. So let's take a try at that. Let's start by taking this coupling off here. It's a small Phillips, and got a little cover, and then the coupling with the screw will hopefully come out, and it does. Right there. We'll do the same thing on this end. Take the Phillips off. Oh, not yet. There we go. And the cap comes off. And then the coupling with the spring also comes right off. Now we'll take the 4 center screws out. And let's see if the cap will come off. The cap's loose. Might have to stretch a little bit to get the chassis out. There we go. And then we walk it out. So we have the cap off. Pretty straightforward. Nothing too different there. And here is the inside of the chassis. We have the lights. We do have a dummy plug, like it says in the instruction manual. And that's it. This thing is just solid. It is a solid chunk of metal, pewter. Not sure what they make these out of. The plug is numbered. It's got 1 through 8 numbered on there. So we're going to take this dummy plug off. That just lifts off. And I'm going to put in one of my Lokpilot decoders. And the orange one, which is down here, should be number 1. And like that. So let's put it on the track and see if it works. Okay, so let's put it on my program track and see if we can read the decoder. I've got my Z21 system up and running. Program and read. I can hear it buzzing. And so it is programmed for number 3, which is fine for right now. I'm going to switch over to my main track and let's see if the lights work. Yep. And it moves. And the opposite is correct as well. So since everything seems to be working, I'm going to make this installation a little more permanent. And let's see, this would probably be a good place for it. We'll put a little piece of foam there, staying away from the screw holes. Right there. And right there. And then the decoder. Can sit right there. So the decoder is held on with a piece of clear tape for now. I've got the wires wound up so that they're kind of held together. And let's see if we can put the cap back on it. Probably the same way I got it off, with a little bit of, there we go, finagling. And we'll put the screws has the coupling back on. So the 4 screws are in. Now we'll do the coupling on the front here. Come on, little screw. That's one, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, all done with that one. Let's put it back on the track. So here it is, in its full glory with the decoder installed. Let's turn the lights on. Let's take it for a test run. And there you have it, a very nice, very pretty, and very heavy model from Bachmann China. Thank you for watching. Until next time.